So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 8 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic plant and animal nutrition. So guys, this video will be about feeding habits, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, herbivore cannot feed on a piece of meat because it has no A. Canines to tear up the meat, B. Molar to smash the meat, C. Premolars to grind the meat, D. Incisor to cut the meat. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's canines to tear the meat. So there is absence of canines in herbivore, and that's the space called diastema. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, the dentition of a herbivore is distinct from that of other animals due to the presence of A. Canines, B. Diastema, C. Ridges on molar teeth, D. Cusps on molar teeth. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's diastema. Just like I mentioned in the previous question, the herbivores actually possess diastema in their teeth, and that's it for this question, option B. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 3 here. It says, the appropriate food to be given to the child in the picture above is A. Beans, B. Avocado pear, C. Gari, D. Bread. So guys, the child in the picture here is suffering from kwashiorkor, and as such, this is as a result of deficiency of protein. So the food that is appropriate to be given to this child is option A here, and that's beans, so that the child can actually gain more protein since the child is deficient of proteins. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 4 here. It says, analysis of the gut content of an animal showed that it contains small pieces of bone, seeds, roughages, and insects. The animal is likely to be A/An. We have A. Herbivore, B. Omnivore, C. Insectivore, D. Carnivore. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's omnivore. And that's because of the fact that omnivores can actually eat anything, both the plant sources and animal sources. So they are able to eat all kinds of food. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, Hydra feeds by A. Absorbing food digested by other organisms, B. Digesting its food extracellularly, C. Symbiotic association, D. Masticating the food particles. So guys, option B here is the answer to this question, digesting its food extracellular. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 6 here. It says, organisms that feed essentially on plants within any ecosystem may be referred to as A. Saprophytes, B. Omnivores, C. Carnivores, D. Herbivores. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is herbivores, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 7 here. It says, which of the following features of the tadpole indicates that the animal is herbivorous? Possession of A. Operculum, B. Internal gills, C. Long coiled intestine, D. Muscular tail. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's long coiled intestine. So the feature of the tadpole that indicates that it is herbivorous is the possession of long coiled intestine. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 8 and last. It says, which of the following organisms is well adapted for fluid feeding? We have A. Cockroach, B. Mosquito, C. Grasshopper, D. Ants. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's mosquito. Mosquito is the organism here that is well adapted for fluid feeding. And that's it for this question, guys. So guys, this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.